How to find Shopee account number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your Shopee's account number. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Shopee app or simply head over to shopee.com. Now after you're there, you will need to log in into your account. So after you've logged into your account, what you'll need to do is head over to your icon that is on the top right corner. It's your profile icon. Head over there. So after you're here, what you will notice is that your Shopee account number is actually your Shopee registered phone number. Now, if you have registered your phone number to your Shopee, which you will need to do if you're buying things from Shopee, and after you do that, your account number is basically your phone number that you registered while creating your Shopee account. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can find your Shopee's account number. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.